Yes, it's true. Microaces is closing for 2 months this summer. Hi guys, John here at Microaces and welcome to the Microaces workshop. Apologies for that rather sensationalist headline on the video, and I'm sorry if it caused any unnecessary stress. But yes, we are closing for 2 months this summer, and I wanted to show you the reason why. Well, this is a 1/20th scale Hawker Hurricane, and it's for radio control, and it's designed by Microaces. It's made of the traditional 2mm foam for the airframe that we use in all our other kits, but it is covered in this pre-printed Tyvek material, which is super lightweight. Obviously there's some vac form stuff as well. You've got the canopy here, and you've got some 3D printed detail here, which is on the exhaust stubs. There's some other bits and pieces too. There's quite a lot of vac form stuff and 3D printed parts to go in the kit. But essentially it's a 600mm wingspan on it, and the entire airframe, when it's fully covered, this is just obviously half covered, but when fully covered with the Tyvek, comes in at 75 grams. That's about a starling if you're an ornithologist, which is super light. And then with the electronics on board, you've got 4 servos, you've got a receiver, speed controller, and a brushless motor. Obviously, you've also got the 2S battery, which is quite a weight as well. The entire aircraft comes in at around about 135 grams, which for this size and type of aircraft is ridiculously light. What is more important than it just being a Hawker Hurricane is the fact that this demonstrates what we can achieve now with creating aircraft kits. And essentially, it's sort of a flagship for the next generation of Microaces kits. The 2 months that we need in the summer is basically to finalize this particular kit and get the project launched. And this is where you chaps come in. Taking 2 months off we thought was essential to get the product launched. Otherwise it would probably drag out for another 12 to 18 months, and we really felt the time was right to get this next generation of kits out there and going. So what we elected to do was earmark those 2 months so that we could actually properly concentrate on finalizing these new next generation Microaces kits, and that's where you guys hopefully will be able to help us. There are a number of ways that you can do that. Firstly, of course, if you have a Microaces kit that you're looking to buy, then it'd probably be a good idea to do it now, and we've got a couple of months where we can actually get it out to you before we take that break, and that would help a lot. But we've also got 2 brand new, never seen before, limited edition kits as well, that obviously come from our existing range. Firstly, we have the Sopwith triplane is back, but as you can see, in a different livery. Now this is the French livery. They actually flew the Sopwith triplane as well. The Navy did, and that one is actually the steed of French ace pilot Pierre Malvoisin. And the second aircraft we've got, this is a really interesting livery. This is actually the Sopwith Pup Black Tulip, but the Black Tulip was actually captured by Germany, and they repainted it in a German livery. They kept the name on the side though. And this was actually captured, coincidentally, in April of 1917, which is, what, 108 years ago, my dear Lord. Thirdly, and quite excitingly as well, we've created some project vouchers. Specifically for the Hurricane itself, and of course you can use those as soon as the product, the kit becomes available. You can use those vouchers against the purchase of the kit itself. And that brings me to the pricing. The kit itself, we think, is going to be around about the £125 mark. The receiver that you will need to buy to go with it, the kit itself comes with all of the electronics apart from the receiver and of course the battery. The receiver will be about £45. The voucher values 25, 50 and 100. So you can pick and choose. If you can only afford to help us with a smaller amount, then that's absolutely fantastic. And there are the smaller vouchers there for you. If you do go and have a look at the vouchers, there's something else you'll see there as well. There are vouchers for another kit that we're developing. As you can see, this is the arch enemy of the Hawker Hurricane. This is the Messerschmitt BF-109E. Also will be done in the Battle of Britain livery. So there are vouchers to get that as well. We'll be bringing this one on as well in that 2-month period, and hopefully we will make it most of the way through that development process. As you can see, we've already got to the point where we're happy with the airframe. So there's that as well. Finally, we've also set up a GoFundMe page. So if you're feeling enormously generous and you just want to get this or see this project done, then you can actually just throw some money at us and keep the lights on here at Microaces, which would be absolutely fantastic. All of these methods of helping us out have links in the comments. So if you really want to give it a go, give us a helping hand, then go down to the comments and see what we've got available for you. And of course, thank you ever so much just for watching this video. And if you can help in any way, that would be absolutely amazing. I'm going to make some more videos about the Hurricane and how the fuselage and the wings, etc., the whole airframe is designed and goes together. We'll go through in more detail with the specs and what equipment we're suggesting that goes into the aircraft as well. So we'll also, during the period that we are beavering away to get these aircraft out, we'll provide updates as well. Hopefully video updates, probably some Facebook image posts as well, but we will keep you up to date with how it all goes. So if you have any questions, please feel free to go onto our website and go to the contacts page and get in contact there, or respond or reply to any emails that have been sent to you from ourselves. We're very, very happy to answer any of your questions. But for now, thank you very much for watching the video, and I'll see you again shortly. Bye-bye.